So I'm here at the First Choice Community Center in Columbia. We're gonna go inside and cook up some healthy recipes that taste great. Come on. Hey everyone, I'm Marcus Lattimore, and I am here with Brooke Brittain, a registered dietitian with DHEC's SNAP program. Now Brooke, we have a
Very fancy blender.
So I assume we're making a smoothie.
We are, yes, Marcus.
I'm excited.
Excellent. So today we're going to do a peanut butter oatmeal banana smoothie. So it's got a lot going on. Yeah, I got a lot of ingredients in this smoothie. They are quick snack ideas. Again, we do these a lot when we do our DHEC SNAP Ed classes in the community. We try to show the kids and the parents how to make some quick little go-to snack. I love smoothies because you can put a whole lot of different things in them. Sometimes people add some vegetables. Sometimes they add some fruits to them. So you can switch up your ingredients, which is really great.
And if you're in a rush, I mean,
absolutely,
you can just put it in the cup and take it to go.
Could be that on-the-go breakfast, could be a snack at a certain time of day. So again, they're very versatile and you can do a lot with them. You guys have had smoothies before, I'm sure. Oh yeah, right? We all love smoothies. So we got our blender, so I'm gonna have somebody do a lovely assistant. It's gonna help me add all the ingredients. Who wants to help? You do it? All right, I'll let you slide on in. So let's go ahead, we'll pour the bowl of ice in first. Y'all know any basis of any good smoothie? Definitely smoothies. All right, perfect. We'll add our bananas next. So we got our fruit. So good way to get some fruit into the day. You could mix up the fruit, do some different ones. Perfect, that's our fruit. Now we're actually gonna add some oats. You guys know that oatmeals are really healthy for you, right? So if you've ever seen a box of oatmeal, what's it promote on the front of an oatmeal box? Anybody ever seen anything on it?
Fiber.
Yeah, fiber and good for your what? Your heart, right? Yeah, good for your heart and for your cholesterol. So we're trying to get a little whole grain in there too. So we got our oats, we got our bananas, and the next one is the yogurt. So we actually did grab a little bit of vanilla yogurt this time. So we know it does have a little bit of extra sugar, but I think we're gonna need it for the recipe. Just get added a little sweetness to it. So we got banana oats, we got some vanilla flavored yogurt. You could use plain too if you want. And again, I buy a lot of store brand items. So store brand yogurt, I buy usually the store brand oats. And our last ingredient over there that we can see in the bowl is the peanut butter. Now, we do know, like we talked about when we were making those ants on a log, that sometimes allergies can be an issue. So this is a good place, Marcus, where instead of using peanut butter, we could use that sunflower butter. And that would be a good substitution for those folks that have some allergies. So we got some peanut butter in there now, and that's our protein. So far we got a fruit, we got a grain, we got our dairy, we got our protein, and then we're also gonna add, there's some milk down on the end. So typically we try to go with our lower fat milk, just kind of watching a little bit of fat and calories. So typically your 2%, 1% skim or your lower fat options. Whole milk, we kind of grew up drinking it probably here down south, but it does have a lot of fat and cholesterol in it. One more thing, Marcus, before we do that. You're okay. So we're gonna add a little bit of our cinnamon. Everybody smell that? I love the smell of cinnamon. So do 2 scoops of that for me. So we're adding a teaspoon of cinnamon to it too. Anybody add cinnamon to anything else that they make?
Cinnamon rolls.
Ooh, I like that. Maybe not the healthiest choice, it's definitely something delicious, right? And also, a lot of people do it to yogurts and to oatmeal. Some people might add some cinnamon to their oatmeal or toast. All right, great. Thank you so much for your help. All right, let's get the lid on, Marcus.
There we go.
All right, locked in. We're ready. All right, everybody ready? I'll fire it up. All right, Marcus. All right, I'm gonna try one too.
Sounds good.
How's it smell? Everybody take a smell first. It smells delicious. All right, should we cheers?
Cheers.
Cheers, everybody.
Cheers.
All right. That is delicious. What'd you guys think? It's
love
good?
it.
Love it?
Absolutely
All right.
love it.
Thanks, Marcus.
Thank you so much, Brooke. It was so good. And eating right is obviously a big part of being First Choice Fit, which is why we're so happy to have Brooke here today.